YouTube. Back with another vlog. I gotta take some pictures of these because I'm about to sell them, and then when I sell them, I'm trying to get some cowboy boots with the money from these. So yeah, I think we're gonna be saying goodbye to the Yeezy boots. I've had these for like a year and a half now, I think. And another thing is that they're a little too tight on my feet. Like when I wear them, they kind of snug. But I mean, not a bad shoe. I recommend you get them. I mean, it's a little black, but other than that, a good shoe, a good winter shoe, like for snow, the fall, everything like that. Yeah, shout out to Ye. But I gotta sell them, bro, because I want some cowboy boots. Oh, I want some cowboy boots. And yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures of these and try to sell them for at least 300, 250 maybe, I don't know. So yeah, and then use that money to get some cowboy boots. And just got a new pickup. If you don't know, Apex Twin. If you don't know about Apex Twin, do your homework. Yeah, new pickup. I think I'm gonna take some pictures this weekend. I might, cause I have a fit idea with this shirt. So fit pics. Yeah, new pictures probably coming this weekend on like Sunday. I'm like probably gonna wear these jeans with this shirt probably, or and then with the boots. But I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna see how everything plays out. And tonight it's like 6 o'clock right now, and Kate asked me to go to Planet Fitness with him, my boy. So I guess we're gonna go Planet Fitness, work out, and just see where the vlog takes us. If you're new to the channel, hit us up, man. We on the way to 1K. No cap, we're on the way to 1K. But yeah, let's start this vlog, man. No doubt.
Oh, alright, YouTube. Oh man. Next day. How I'm looking, bro. Oh shoot. I'm about to leave, bro. I slept in like 10. Even though that is a sound. Yeah. Yeah. Dude. My grandma got a pool installed, so if y'all don't know, I used to live in a crib. I used to live at other house that had a pool, and then we moved. We can't go over there to swim no more because we sold the crib and it's not ours no more. So now my grandma has a pool, so we're going over there to swim and all that. Let me give me a black t-shirt, man. Black t-shirt. We out the crib. On the way. On the way, on the way, on the way. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. It's like I like summer. I like swimming, but I look at like fall and winter more. I don't know. And so I can like put fits on too. So the 22nd. Was that right?
Huh?
Is it 22nd? 23rd?
I think it's 22nd.
Yay!
Hey, what's up?
I made a big mistake. I made a mistake. My fault. But look, we in Walmart. Everybody, the mothers in here right now.
I just want to go see it.
I don't know why. But hey, we cool though.
Are those like...
So, hey, I low-key miss playing games. Like, I used to be playing games like so much, bro. And now I don't no more. But I think I'm gonna start getting back into it though. I used to be a gamer for real, like playing all the games. We got some vinyls right here. I used to be playing every game, no bap. And I might make a gaming channel, low key. I don't know though, but just to see how things go.
Look, they have my purse back.
They got a purse, man.
They have my purse at Walmart back. It's nylon. They're my fave.
What do you like about it though?
Because the material of it. I love it. I love it. I just like it.
Waiting for mom to change into this bathing suit and yeah, I'm just vibing, bro. Just vibing. I need to get more comfortable just vlogging out, low key. The drip is not it right now. Don't peep the fit. Do not peep the fit. No fit check. We're going swimming. But tomorrow, fit check, pictures. Something slight. Okay, cool.
They got one.
Hi! Yeah! Oh, this it's concrete hot. It's concrete hot. It's concrete hot. That's how you do a dive. That's how you do a dive. That's how you do it. Huh? The vlog. Talking to the family, man. Oh yeah.
Here she goes. That's mom's premiere. Ready?
Yeah.
On the
Woo! Oh yeah. How was it?
Woo!
How was it?
How was it, Mom? I just can't hear you.
Oh yeah.
It was wonderful.
It was. Okay, cool. No. But
Do you like thong flip-flops?
that boy, Big A.
Yeah.
Or do you like just slide? Draven won't wear thong flip-flops.
I like both.
What?
I just
You
don't
don't wear
matter.
thong flip-flops?
Thong flip flop?
Yes, the kind that go between your big toe and your other toes.
That's what they
Like
call
that
it.
one.
They
No,
That's what
they
they're
call it a thong.
Call this
Yeah.
flip flops.
Yes.
They're just making names up.
The kind like I wear, that's what they're
You, if you ever catch me wearing a thong flip,
Oh, they're not in school, but like in like a beach trip, I always wear.
Just shoot a single message and it'll say
Do a flip.
keep allowing or I
Do a
don't know,
pencil.
it'll pop up to a box and
Yeah,
if
just
you
don't.
hit the wrong button, it'll cut it off.
I deleted the app because I was trying to download a video.
If your mama's a bad
My shorts almost
influence,
fell
you
off.
show her how to do better.
I don't try the video. It's fine.
What?
I don't video shit and drive. You're not a text and drive.
Don't be texting and driving. Show your mom.
You like a cucumber. You're like what? It's a cucumber. Yeah. A good one though. I don't like you anymore.
Alright, show people that you can do a flip.
I can't, bro. Oh, this.
We'll do a dive.
I can't do a dive either.
What?
I probably could. I'm not going to. I'm not going to.
I couldn't used to, but I've learned.
These liners.
Just try it out.
What?
Just try it out. Have you ever tried to dive? Jump. Aim down. Jump up. Yeah. I'm not doing that.
Not being a frog. Not a frog.
It's a habit, alright?
You get a good time once or two times.
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
Hey, hit my hat. I threw a little bit fun this time. Dude. Give me my $40 hat. I don't want to get it wet because I don't know.
Hey, we back. We back.
Hey, give me water. You going in there?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. No, I'm going this way. I'm gonna get my shoes on here. All right, we got the speaker. Speaker. All right, we are on the way to just vibe. To vibe. Big speaker. That boy Big A. That boy tell him what you doing, man.
Driving a golf cart.
How you feeling though? How you? Oh. Nah, he died.
I'm not going right.
Yeah,
I'm not going that way.
Hey, buddy. Don't wreck, please. Hey. Hey.
Go faster.
Hey, hey, hey. Have your cars and try to. You wanna say what's up?
So what's up, guys?
Say what's up.
So what's up, guys?
What's up?
Wave at him.
I'm Curtis.
Codus. He's Codus.
Wave at him. Give him fist bumps. Get the phone fist bumps.
Yeah.
Here, fist bump him. Yeah.
Come on now. All right. Gonna sell these bad boys.
Yeah.
You want them?
No.
Thank you.
I love
Thank you.
Can you get out? What?
What did you and Papa do today?
I just mowed the grass and he fixed something on in the carport of the house.
You got the land?
Yeah. Alright, hold up. No, wait,
Alright. We in Walmart again. Oh, been in Walmart today?
Yeah? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hot Wheels.
That boy love Hot Wheels. That boy love Hot Wheels, boy. I'm so tired, bro.
Yeah. Oh, twin, I don't have this set yet, bro.
Bro, get it, bro.
I don't got money. Look, bro.
How much is it?
Hey, look at this one, bro.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Sing over the song. Woo, 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 woo.
That ain't how it works, buddy. Should I get the 15? I mean, should I get the 14?
You should get the 15. You should get the 15.
This one? 15 Pro?
Puppy.
Puppy.
On this day, June 20.
That never happened. It's a lie. For sure.
No longer.
Oh, I like this color.
It's a big phone.
Yeah, that's what my brother's wife has this.
I just know pictures on there.
Bro is not getting jiggy with it, bro. Bro is definitely not getting jiggy with it.
Shoot.
Rate my boots. These or those. I want to buckle my shoe. I like the army green ones better. Army green ones are way better. But you got the green one? Army green.
Do these fit every bullet?
Okay, you got the hunting 1-2 buckle my shoe. The fishing, hunting special. Yeah. Yo, hold up. New bro, new picks coming with disease, bro. New picks. New flicks, bro. New flicks, bro.
I want to be a SWAT.
And SWAT?
Yeah, I either want to be a SWAT or be a SWAT. My daddy used to be a police officer.
You wanna say what's up, bro? You wanna say what's up? Say what's up, bro.
What's up, Doc?
Hey, I don't know what we're doing right now, but hey. Twin.
Good money too. What grade are you in?
I'm going into third.
Good, twin.
Yeah, he's videoing.
I know who you are. You're the manager's son, aren't you?
Yes, Sirski.
How do you know that? Where do you live?
Bro. He's my buddy. He taught me. Come here, boy.
Bro, David knows you, bro. Like,
No, bro.
Hey. Who else would he be? I'm a turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble.
his what?
I'm a turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble.
What?
Who else would he be?
Your mom, boy. I don't know what they're talking about. You want to hey, bro. Hey, you want to get? Do it louder.
Can I get a hoya? Hoya!
I used to do the same thing when I was little, bro. Dakota does that. I can't see. Oh, I can't.
What's that?
What time is it?
7:48. And why are we up this way?
I go to church.
You gotta go to church.
Oh my God. He's gonna go to church.
Oh, I got to.
And he woke us up just early just to go to church. Oh, it's sunny outside.
Put my fit on. I don't remember these jeans were the other ones. I think I'm gonna change to the black jeans. I'm not gonna lie. Even though I love these jeans though, but I think I'm gonna change to the black jeans. Okay, hold on. And if people are tired of seeing me wearing these, I don't care, bro. That's how I've been feeling, bro. That's the type of vibe I'm in now. We good. Hold on. I think this is. I think this is alright. Let me give y'all, I wasn't even recording. Alright, fit check. J11 on the jeans, belt, wallet chain, Apex Twin on the tee, bandana, Walmart, you know what I'm saying? And, that's how I'm feeling, bro. That's how I'm feeling. Yeah.
I need to come back and call Walmart. I just need to come back and get some done because I gotta have my thing done Tuesday. And I have to work tomorrow, so I want to come home and paint my toenails and fold laundry and peel, okay?
Alright, that sounds good with me.
But we gotta go clean my car while we're over there. We'll just go to the one in my stalls today. Their mat thing is broke though, wasn't it? Their mat cleaner.
Oh,
is that
yeah.
what it's called?
What's up?
Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully I have it fixed by now. Look at my toenail. I gotta do my toenails when I get back. I want to paint them a bright, pretty color. My legs are hurting me, buddy. But I'm just gonna stop by the gas station and not that one. One, Marshall's.
Yeah. A little hot, ain't it? A little hot. We're on the way to take some pictures. Some pictures. Pictures. Bandanas, new wave. I don't know the spot. I think I know the spot, but I don't know though. It's just
It's got a good variety of legs, so I'm trying to go in there.
downtown Discovery. This is how every downtown looks in Alabama. Except this one has a
Everybody has
White
a court.
House.
That's a courthouse.
White House. You should take pictures of it before. Why should you go take pictures like with the flag or something?
You need to take pictures down here when the lights are on at night, like I told you.
Yep. Yeah, when the lights out here like at 2 o'clock in the morning.
You've done it a million times with Ethan, so why don't you take pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you mean, yeah?
Oh, maybe that place.
I want to go eat at Superheroes one day.
It's pretty good.
Look at
It's
the
decent.
sticky notes. You said those
Yeah.
What is that?
Sticky
notes.
Yeah, sticky notes. Sticky notes. And
That's so cool.
I made like a picture from it.
That's so neat. The sticky notes don't stay. Sticky notes don't sticky. I'm trying to go to this gas station over here real quick before I take you.
Where?
That building.
I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, man.
They still have the ice cream stand in the back. I'm gonna go look. I don't have to drive over there though. They used to sell ice cream by the roller coaster. Do they still?
I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe not. I think there's, bro. I want to swim in that, bro. I'm be real with you. Yeah, you can saw something big in that water. Huh?
Even though you saw a creature.
No.
Matthew 28:20. Chasing them to observe these things whatsoever I command. And we're gonna have her funeral. So
Oh, this is.
They're having a con. I thought that, are they having like a concert or something? No, I'm saying I wouldn't swim in that water.
You would?
No, I wouldn't.
I thought you said you wanted to.
No.
There's Duffy. Hey, Duffy.
I'll walk over there. Let's see if I can take some pictures up there. Love you. I'm gonna go take some pics.
Okay, well, I'm gonna run to the Dollar General right down the street.
Uh-huh.
Then I guess I'll text you, and I can give you a ride the roller coaster.
Alright. Love you. Alright. It's freaking hot. That's how I'm coming, bro. That's how I'm coming. Alright, I think this is gonna be the spot. We got people over there. But look, it's like a railroad track. It goes all the way over there. Goes out right here. Right here. So I might take some picture right here. This spot right too. It's hot out here, bro. I got jeans on. It's not my. It's the only thing why I don't like summer, bro, because it'd be so hot, man. It's so hot. Alright. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Oh, pics are done. Oh. I'm hot. Mommy, I'm hot. Oh. Good game. I'm gonna give me some cowboy boots.
On pump. I don't know what pump I'm on.
Yeah, pump 4. Good Dr. Pepper. No bet. Alright, we're back at the crib. I guess I'm gonna just keep vlogging for the rest of the day today for a little more, and then I guess edit this whole video tomorrow, because I don't even know how much footage I have. I want to make this video at least almost 30 minutes long, so I like long form content more than like just short form. So all the videos y'all been seeing me drop is like, they've been almost like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, an hour. So, and even my vlogs too. I want to make my vlogs like almost 30, 25 minutes, like, so I can sit back, watch it, just chill. So yeah, got back from the I got back from taking pictures. I'm gonna show y'all the pictures. Yeah, man. Hold up. Let me get my iPad. These pictures were pretty fire. Oh, I keep forgetting that metal, like, it's like a magnet. I did not know an iPad was a magnet until like a few years ago, because it's just randomly like stick to my iPad. I was like, okay, like, I mean, pretty fire, bro. I got this shot, you know, at the train, railroad. I was at like a railroad, I vlogged and showed y'all. Good little fit. Yeah. Come on now. Probably my favorite one is, I like this one a lot, and I like this one, and like this one, and that one too. And I just now got finished editing a little video for it, so yeah. Railroad, man. But yeah, new pictures, new little video I made, and yeah, man. Go fall that grind, man. Always been on the grind. Always on the grind. No cap. But yeah, I'm finna change, bro. Vibe out. We're finna watch Breaking Bad for a little bit. New show we've been watching. And yeah, I'm probably gonna just, and my uncle's coming over. My boy Ethan's coming over later. Bring my PS4 back. I'm gonna start playing the game more, because I've been bored, and I've been trying to get a job too, but he's bringing that back. I'm gonna play that probably tonight. I'm gonna vlog that, and yeah, just see where the vlog takes us from here. I'm gonna catch y'all whenever I catch y'all. Okay, cool. I actually have a lot of footage, and I actually ended up editing the video because I had nothing to do. So I think I'm just gonna stop the video here. I'm pretty sure we're not gonna do nothing. I'm not gonna do anything crazy tonight. I'm just gonna be chilling. So yeah. Hope y'all stay safe. I'm gonna see y'all next video. 1K on the way. People are active outside, man. We got people outside. I don't know. Those them kids, bro. We saw last time. Oh lord. Alright. I'm gonna see y'all next video. Okay, cool.